In this video I will show you how to install the frameless shower door. This particular one is made by OVE. This is the package. I bought it at Costco last year. The whole package comes with a nice instruction and a very handy video that will show you step by step how to do it. So I'm not gonna go into really big details because everything is included on this DVD. I'm just gonna show you how I'm doing it and hopefully you can do it by yourself. So first tip, try to find the middle of the side of the tab to decide where the middle of the door is going to be. Then transfer it to the wall. Actually I have a wall, the line right here, and then you need to make a couple of holes on the side that will hold the truck. When making the holes in the tiles, make sure you use the correct bit. This is for concrete, otherwise you're gonna damage your drill bit. So the truck that will hold the door will go right here on this wall. So make sure that it's level, that it's straight. Put a couple of pieces of tape right here and mark the holes right here so you can make correct holes in the right spot. Then the special anchors that come with the package go inside. Everything that you need is included in the kit. Everything is pre-labeled, so all you have to do is just follow step-by-step instructions. Then before tightening the screws, make sure everything is level. Then make sure you put a caulking in between the tiles and a guiding track. The next step is the most important one. You need to install supporting brackets to the first door, just like that. Then we need to make sure that this bracket, this door is level. So you need to see, right now it's not level. So what you need to do, put a piece of tape on both sides of the tiles, and then you're going to adjust it up and down on both sides. And what we need to do is, while you level this bar, you slide this over and you're going to outline exact spot on the paper that will indicate that the bar is level. This way the sliding door sliding on top of that will slide nicely and they're not going to be going up or down. So make sure you do this right. Take your time. Now I'm going to take the end of the brackets together with the piece that is going to be supported to the wall. And those are my markings. I'm gonna put it right over here. Well, I'm gonna make a hole markings where I have to drill. Okay, markings are done. I have to do the same thing on the other side. Now make sure that before you start drilling, you take something sharp and make a little holes on the tiles, otherwise your drill bit will slide and the hole is not going to be precisely where it's supposed to be. So put a tiny screw or something with a very sharp end and hit it a couple of times with the hammer. Okay, holes are made, so my template is out. Okay, same thing on the other side, and I'm gonna be ready to install the brackets. And also I decided to take the shower door, the first panel out. It's just easier to drill the holes without it. Now the brackets are already secured, so that sliding bar will go and attach to the spot. I'm gonna tie the bolts and this part of the job is done. In the next step, you have to install all the hardware, which is those handles and the rollers. And the rollers have a concentric center made out of plastic, so they can be adjusted if you need it higher or lower sitting door, you can always do it later. And then you have to put all the seals around it and see if the door is going to be sliding nicely and is going to be level on the shower door. So my door is almost complete. It slides nicely on the track. All it's left to do is to set up the distance of the stoppers and then adjust the height on the rollers, because I still have a little gap over here, so I can move it down just a bit on adjustment screws. And project almost is done. And the last step of the installation process is installing those stoppers that will prevent the door from being removed from the track, or if somebody will accidentally bump onto it, it's not going to fall. And those also can be adjusted, so you move it as high as possible so the door cannot be removed. And this concludes the installation of the shower door. It looks gorgeous.